Have you ever wondered if garnets can be tumbled into sparkling treasures? Let's see if I can transform raw garnets into polished beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Today it's all about red garnets. Have you ever seen a raw garnet? I came across these garnets, and knowing they're one of my mother's favourites, I started wondering how difficult or easy it might be to tumble them. Let's tumble these beauties and find out. I have about 1 kilo of raw garnet. With some small chips I added to the barrel, it's about 3/4 full. This is 80 grit silicone carbide being added to the barrel. I got this with the new tumbler from Aussiesapphire. Next I will add some water, just below the top of the rocks. Finally lid on, screw the nut down and onto the tumbler, and away we go. I will check on these in about a week and give you an update. Do you love learning about gemstone tumbling? Hit subscribe and join me here on the Polished Rock for more fun projects.